In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a side menu in a Wix website. If you're looking to add an effective yet simple way for your website visitors to navigate through your site, adding a vertical side menu is an excellent option. So let's dive into the steps and ensure your website is as user-friendly as possible. To begin, open your Wix editor. It doesn't matter if you're using the Classic or the Studio version, both are perfectly suitable for this task. Once your website project is loaded, navigate to the toolbar on the left side of your editor. There, you'll find the option labeled Add, marked with a plus sign. This is your gateway to all the elements you can incorporate into your site. Now, once you click Add, a menu will appear where you'll want to go to the section called Menu and Anchor. This part of the editor offers various navigation tools. For a vertical side menu, you should select the option labeled Vertical Menu. This choice is ideal for creating a streamlined, easy-to-follow navigation bar that can either hug the left or right edge of your screen, keeping it out of the main content area while still being accessible. Once you've chosen the vertical menu option, simply drag it to your desired location on the screen. You can place it along either the left or the right side of your page. The choice here depends largely on your design preference and how you wish to guide the user's eyes through your content. After positioning your menu, it's time to make it unique to your site by customizing it. Wix provides various customization tools so that your menu can match your website's branding and style. Start with the basics. Adjust the fonts, pick colors that reflect your brand palette, and play around with spacing to ensure readability and aesthetics. These visual tweaks will help ensure that your vertical menu integrates seamlessly into the overall look and feel of your site. But visuals are only half the battle. Functionality is key. You should take the time to link each menu item effectively. You have the option to link these items to different pages on your site or to specific anchors. These are like bookmarks within a particular page. This flexibility allows you to guide your visitors precisely where you want them to go, making navigation smooth and user-friendly. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to incorporate a side menu into your Wix website. A vertical menu can significantly enhance your site's navigation and usability, making it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you in crafting a better navigation experience on your website. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.